TIW Radio. TIW Radio. The heartbeat of German radio. We're bringing the heat, the energy, and the love for the culture. Turn up the volume. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of on my feet when I touch the ground. Front of A to Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life.
TIW Radio presents the ultimate sound from the wood.
Follow us on Instagram.
Matters of the heart. You don't want love, you just want companionship. Love is ugly, takes a lifetime to manage it. And only a couple seconds to damage it. Only by grace we can ever hope to manage it. You either whole or full of hoes, that's just the way it go. Ain't no relationship could ever satisfy your soul. Spent a lot of time lost on this weary road, but found direction when I tore down them caps of gold. I gave my heart to girls who really didn't deserve it, all because my view of self was truly worthless. Ignoring the fact that I was purchased and drunk off the venom that's provided by the serpent. See, it's hard to see clearer when it's cracks up in the mirror, and the person staring back at you ain't getting any nearer. Yeah, we share the same features, but there's clearly been a change, cause all I see is a slave that once used to be a king and traded in his crown for some whips and some change. Momentary comfort, only thing that vanity brings. Used to blame K for everything that went wrong, but now I see the parts I played in it all alone. I use you for fulfillment every time I felt alone, and bruise your heart in ways I probably never even know. I was the person that you cheated on your man with, after class flirting, laughing, even holding hands with.
You think it's over? Come on, flip the tape. The B-side is waiting for you.
If they want the smoke, then yeah, it's no jokes, boy, it's up. In the end zone, that's a TD, we finessing job. Filling up the stat sheets and they knowing that's a plus. Back to back, highlight plays, all my moves is tough. Watch them all die out, I've been killing with my looks. Feeling like a pro, I've been schooling all these rugs. They be betting all us, calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want.
Hey, all I want is money, power, respect, though. Can I take our foot up off they necks? No. I saw the door, yeah, we next, bro. Do not call my phone, send a text. They see us by our style, send our checks, though. She licked me up and down, that's from head to toe. About to catch a flight, let's go to Mexico. Living in the moment, cause you never know.
So now you know, I'm just like Xavier Rushan with the pep talk. Third time the charm, third down and they step up. Keep it in go, now we cannot let off. QB, I keep me a pack like Brett Favre. Got them all shook, soon as we tip off. Top of the ranking, yeah, watch how we slip off. Rushing my way, I'ma give them a stiff arm. Hey, that's all I want, that's all. Come des garçons, that's all. Hearts all on me, flex like one-on-one, yeah, yeah. Different colorways, this another one, yeah. Heard they want a tote, let me stuff my blunt, yeah. If they want the smoke, then yeah, it's no jokes, boy, it's up. In the end zone, that's a TD, we finessing job. Filling up the stat sheets and they knowing that's a plus. Back to back, highlight plays, all my moves is tough. Watch them all die out, I've I've been killing with my lugs. Feeling like a pro, I've been schooling all these rugs. They be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want.
As the night falls and the lights come on, let the music be your guide.
Pull the word up on my back, it's on my shoulder. Then I get the word up on my back, it's on my shoulder.